Hi friends, let's do some analysis of BTC. As we know, BTC made a new all-time high in November and it reached almost 69,000 or rather 69,000. And from there, last 6 weeks, it's been continuously going down. So let's see what is going to happen next, whether BTC will stop falling from here or it will consolidate at the current level or it will further go down. So what's expected in the next few days or next few weeks. So let us take a quick look on that, what the charts are telling us. I will first share the summary as to what I am expecting in the next few weeks, and then maybe we'll go back and see why these levels I'm referring to. So currently the BTC price is around $47,000. So what I can see is that there is a high possibility that BTC might go down up to 44,500, and from 44,500 we can expect a bounce provided 44,500 this level itself is maintained. If 44,500 level is maintained, then we can expect a bounce towards 52,550 and maybe up to 54,000. But 52,550 to 54,000, this is a strong resistance area. I don't think we will see a move beyond that. From there, there should be a drop further. Now, again, this is subject to the level of 44,500 or the support of 44,500 being maintained. Now, I will give this a 75% probability. There is a 25% probability that BTC may not stop at 44,500 and it might go all the way up to 38,860 or 39K. Okay. So this move from 44,500 to 39K, this will be a swift move and it will be just more or less a week. And from there, we can see a quick bounce back. So net, either we jump from 44,500 to 52K and 54K, or we jump from 39K to 44,500 and from 44,500 to 52,550. So the point is, I am not expecting BTC to go below 39K. At max, it can go down up to 39K. Chances of going down below 44,500 itself are less. What is important for BTC to remain slightly bullish from here is there should not be a weekly close below 44,500. If there is a weekly close below 44,500, then there will be trouble for bulls and the market can enter into a bear territory. As of now, what we feel is that the BTC should hold the 44,500 level. Of course, there can be a wick towards 39K, but there will be a quick bounce from 39K and BTC will again bounce above 44,500. And if it remains above 44,500, then there is a high chance that we will see 52,500 and even 54K levels. So how I came to these particular levels. So let us look at some other charts. Okay, so this is a trend line chart. Now I feel that BTC itself will go towards 52K or 54K. There is a reason for that. And if you look at the price action, BTC is currently into a descending channel on a daily basis. Now, whenever an asset is in a descending channel on a daily basis, there is quite high chance that it breaks on the upside. Okay, now not always, but most of the times. If we go back in September, there was a descending wedge, and after that, it gave a breakout, and we saw a rally. Here again, there was a descending wedge, and we got a breakout, and there was a rally. Now, this particular pattern here, this was a descending wedge, and ideally, we should have got a bounce from 57K and up to the higher levels. But then, for whatever reasons, the move was in the opposite direction and there was a fall. So this one descending wedge on the daily, it got rejected. So there is a high chance that second descending channel that we are seeing, this will not get rejected and BTC will give a break from this particular descending channel on the upside. Now, if BTC gives a break up towards the upside from this descending channel, the resistance will be around 54K. So that's the reason we are saying that 52 to 54K is the level to watch. Now, what is the very critical level or most important level for BTC is that on the weekly basis, it should not give a close below this pink line. Okay, this is a 51 EMA on weekly, and in the whole of 2022, there was only 1 week when BTC actually went below this line, and again sharp bounce back was there from this particular line. So there is a possibility that we might fall a little down towards this 39K level. It can be a week, short week for a day or so, but we should see a quick bounce back from that particular level, and the weekly close for the week of 26th December ideally should be above this particular level of 44,500. So, in all probability, the weekly close for this particular week is above this pink line, is above the 44,500 level. And hopefully, the week of 27th, the week ending on 26th December, should also close above EMA 51. So, as long as BTC doesn't give a weekly close below EMA 51, we can remain positive, and the market should at least remain in the territory of above $45,000 and can give a move up to 52K or 54K. Okay, so that's the analysis on the basis of which I have derived these levels. Okay, so as I said, BTC can go down up to 44,500 from the current level of 47K, and from there it should bounce back towards 52K or 54K. There is a 25% possibility that it can go all the way up to 39K and give a quick bounce towards 44,500 and towards 52K, 54K. So that's what I can say currently. These are the moments that we are looking for the next week or so. On a slightly higher time frame, uh, it again depends on the levels, whether BTC crosses 54K on a daily basis or a weekly basis, this particular level, or whether it goes below 39K on a daily level or daily basis or weekly basis. That will decide the future trajectory of BTC in the coming weeks. So that's all I wanted to share about the BTC price movement at this point of time. Hopefully you found this video useful, and based on these levels, you can adjust your trades accordingly. The altcoins will also going to move. Of course, in the crypto market, the altcoins move as per the BTC moves. A simple question comes to everybody's mind that okay, these levels are very wide and these ranges are very wide. How to basically trade in this kind of ranges, in so wide ranges? So yes, it's tricky to trade in this kind of ranges. One of the solutions is that you should use a bot for trading. If we are using bot for trading with proper configuration, then the volatility that will be there in the market can be captured properly, and not only you can avoid losses, you can even make profit also. So that's all from my side. Please keep these levels in mind while you are putting your trades, and happy and safe trading to all of you. Thank you.